Let's make a Thai edamame salad. Welcome back to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today I'm going to show you this really quick and easy Thai edamame salad that is just delicious. So first thing we're going to start with is the salad part, and then I'll show you the dressing. So I chopped up some cabbage here, and you want to get a pretty fine dice. You could grate it if you wanted to, and it'd be more like a coleslaw type of salad, but I like to have the chunks a little bit larger. And this is, 3 to 4 cups of chopped cabbage. It's kind of up to you if you really like cabbage salad, which I do. The more the better. Then 1 large cucumber that I cubed up in just little bite-sized pieces. 1 large carrot, grated, because it's better to grate that so that you don't get big chunks of carrot that are really hard and crunchy. That's kind of just for the color and for the nutrients. And then I've got 1.5 cups of shelled edamame that I cooked in water for about 10 minutes just to cook it. It's a frozen edamame, so you want to make sure when you get your frozen edamame that it is shelled edamame, not in the shell. Then I have 1 cup of pretty finely diced spring onion, 1 teaspoon of very finely grated ginger. You want to get that grated up really fine, because if the chunks are too big and you get a bite of that, it'll just overpower your whole bite. And then I have 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. And I really just put them in a frying pan, and I just put it over medium heat until they start getting this nice golden toasty color. And then I have 1/2 cup of salted roasted peanuts, or you could use unsalted also. And these, it's up to you if you put them in now. If you're going to eat the salad today or within 2 days, you can put it in now. But if it's going to stay in your fridge for more than 2 days, the peanuts start to get kind of soggy. So it might be good to just kind of have this on the side and sprinkle it in. But I'm going to sprinkle ours in because I know that we're going to eat this in the next couple of days. All right, I'm going to clear this stuff out, and I'm going to get the ingredients for the dressing. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to share some background on our show. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show is crowd-funded, which means these free weekly recipe videos, along with our entire catalog of free printable recipes on our website, plantbasedcookingshow.com, and our Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy cookbook series, are all made possible in part by the generous patronage of our supporting membership community. So if you love our recipes, I invite you to join us on our mission to make plant-based cooking easy, and follow the link in the description to become a supporting member today. There's no denying the plant-based diet is a nutrient powerhouse, but did you know there are a handful of hard-to-get nutrients even well-crafted diets are often lacking? The latest research suggests that complementing your diet with a few specific vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s will help boost your energy and keep you thriving for the long term. That's why my daily health routine includes Complement Essential. Complement Essential contains the 8 critical nutrients lacking from most plant-based diets in dosages optimized specifically for us. As a special discount for our viewers, just use code PLANTBASEDEASY at checkout to save 15% off of your order. All right, so now on to this dressing. So this is a Thai flavored type of dressing, so it's a little bit sweet and a little bit tangy and a little bit spicy and delicious. All right, so we have 3 Medjool dates, pitted Medjool dates, 3 tablespoons of a white wine vinegar, or you could use a rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar. I just like white wine vinegar the best. 2 tablespoons of a low sodium tamari, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, a natural peanut butter that is just roasted peanuts and salt. No added oil, no added sugar. And 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And that's up to you how much you use, or you could use more if you want it to be a little bit more spicy, or a little bit less if you don't want it as spicy. And then 1/3 cup of water. Now we're just going to blend this until it's super creamy. Okay, there we go. How simple is that? It comes together in, really less than 5 minutes. The only time involved really is just cutting up the vegetables. So now we're just going to pour that over the top. Stir it up. Okay, there we go. If you want to come in and take a look, it is smelling delicious, looks delicious. I'm going to grab a bowl and a fork and I'll meet you at the table for a taste. Here we go. Let's go for a taste. So tasty. You're going to love it. Come on back next week for another great recipe.